Hudbay Minerals Inc. is a global leader in the mining and processing of minerals, focusing on copper, gold, and zinc. The company is headquartered in Canada and operates globally with modern mines that adhere to sustainability and social responsibility standards. The Copper Mountain Mine, located in British Columbia, Canada, is one of Hudbay's flagship projects after being acquired by the company in 2023. Copper Mountain is a large open-pit copper mine that uses advanced technologies to mine and process copper ore efficiently and sustainably. With abundant copper reserves, the mine plays an important role in supplying raw materials to the global industry. Hudbay applies automation technology in its operations, using self-driving trucks and real-time monitoring systems to optimize the mining process. The crusher system at the mine is optimized to reduce energy consumption during the ore crushing process. The mills use energy-efficient technology such as high-pressure grinding rolls, HPGR. The flotation system is designed to reduce emissions, especially sulfur dioxide, which is often produced from sulfur-bearing ores. The mine also employs measures to reduce carbon dioxide emissions from trucks and mining equipment. The mining process begins with exploration and assessment of the copper reserves in the area. Hudbay uses advanced geophysical technology such as 3D surveying and mineral data analysis to identify areas rich in ore. After assessment, reports on ore reserves and ore grades are prepared to plan the optimal mining operation. The Copper Mountain Mine uses open-pit mining, using heavy machinery such as excavators and ultra-class haul trucks to transport the rock and ore. The copper ore is extracted from open pit layers at optimized depths to reduce mining costs. Ore-free soil and rock are transported to engineered dump sites, ensuring safety and environmental protection. Copper ore is transported from the mine to a nearby crushing plant. The raw ore is fed into primary crushers to reduce the size to a few centimeters. Next, the ore is fed into ball mills to be ground into a fine powder, ensuring maximum release of copper minerals. The fine ore powder is mixed with water and flotation chemicals to create air bubbles. The copper particles adhere to the air bubbles and float to the top, while impurities sink to the bottom. The resulting copper concentrate has a high copper content, typically 25 to 30%. Hudbay applies technologies to remove as much impurities as possible, such as iron, sulfur, and silica, resulting in a higher quality concentrate. The copper concentrate after flotation is filtered to remove excess water, then dried for easy transportation. The final product is a copper concentrate ready for smelters to produce pure copper. Water used in the flotation process is treated through a state-of-the-art recycling system for reuse, minimizing impact on local water resources. The tailings dumps and tailings dam system are designed to prevent leaks, ensuring environmental safety. The copper mining process at Hudbay's Copper Mountain Mine is a prime example of efficient, sustainable, and environmentally responsible mineral extraction. Modern technology, automation, and strict environmental management have made the mine one of the most advanced copper mining projects in the world. Hudbay not only delivers economic value, but is also committed to sustainable development, contributing to the green goals of the global mining industry. Upcast Oy is a world-leading Finnish company specializing in the development of modern continuous casting technology. Upcast is famous for its Upcast continuous casting technology, an innovative solution for the copper industry, especially in the production of high-quality copper tubes and copper wires. With more than 50 years of experience, Upcast provides high-performance, flexible, and environmentally friendly production lines, supporting manufacturers to achieve both economic and sustainability goals. The Upcast SG tube technology and the new Upcast of CU bar casting line are breakthroughs, enabling the production of high-quality copper tubes and copper bars from 100% clean recycled materials. Upcast SG tube is an innovative technology that enables the production of seamless copper tubes through continuous casting from pure copper ingots. This process results in copper tubes with high precision, uniformity, and superior quality. Using pure copper, of Cu, or clean recycled material, scrap copper, as input material. The recycled material is carefully processed to completely remove impurities, ensuring copper content above 99.99%. The copper material is melted in an induction furnace, ensuring stable temperature and precise control of chemical composition. The molten metal is led through a special mold, designed to form hollow copper tubes without welding. SG tube technology ensures that the casting product has a smooth surface, uniform wall thickness, and no defects. After leaving the mold, the copper tube is rapidly cooled with water or air to maintain the best crystal structure. The copper tubes are stretched through decreasing molds to reach the required size and diameter. The copper tube is heat-treated in annealing to improve ductility, strength, and reduce residual stress. The final products are strictly tested for size, uniformity, and corrosion resistance. Recently, Upcast has successfully developed the Cu copper rod casting line using Upcast technology, which allows casting pure copper rods, oxygen-free copper, from 100% recycled materials, saving resources and reducing environmental impact. Recycled copper is collected from reliable sources, wires, electronic devices, etc. The initial treatment process removes impurities and other alloys, leaving only high-purity copper. Large-capacity induction furnace, designed to optimize the use of recycled materials without reducing the quality of the copper product. The molten metal is passed through a special mold system, creating round or square copper rods in standard or customer-specific sizes. The copper rods are carefully cooled and subjected to processing steps, such as stretching or cutting to suit specific applications. Cu copper bars must meet standards for conductivity, greater than 99.99% purity, and perfect surface structure. The Upcast Cu line has advantages, such as 100% utilization of recycled materials, minimizing the exploitation of raw materials, contributing to the protection of natural resources. The product has high purity, suitable for demanding industries such as the production of electrical wires, cables, and electronic components. The operating process is environmentally friendly thanks to energy saving and greenhouse gas emission control. Upcast technology helps to bring products that meet high standards of purity, uniformity, and mechanical strength. The surface of copper products is smooth, defect-free, helping to optimize performance in technical applications. Upcast technology is more energy efficient than traditional methods thanks to the use of induction furnaces and optimized cooling systems, reduces carbon dioxide emissions through the use of recycled materials, and efficient control of the production process, supports a circular economy through the recycling and reuse of copper materials. Upcast lines can produce a wide range of products from copper bars, copper tubes, to copper wires in various sizes and shapes, integrates an intelligent control system, real-time monitoring, helps optimize the process and minimize operational risks. Upcast high-quality copper products are widely used in the production of electrical equipment, renewable energy, such as solar cells, wind turbines, and power transmission systems. Upcast's 100% copper recycling ability helps reduce the need for natural resource exploitation, protect the environment, and reduce production costs. Upcast technology and production lines represent the perfect combination of product quality, economic efficiency, and environmental protection. With the ability to utilize recycled materials, optimize energy, and integrate high technology, Upcast not only meets the increasing demands of the market, but also contributes to building a sustainable copper industry. The Upcast SG tube continuous casting technology is one of the most advanced methods available today, specifically designed to produce high-quality seamless copper tubes. Of course, this method also has its advantages and limitations compared to traditional methods, such as rolling and drawing copper tubes from ingots. The Upcast SG tube technology produces seamless copper tubes, ensuring high homogeneity, no weak points at the weld, increasing mechanical strength and pressure resistance. Copper tubes from this technology retain maximum copper purity, usually greater than 99.99%, thanks to the use of a tightly controlled continuous melting and casting process. The inner and outer surfaces of copper tubes produced from Upcast SG tube have a high finish, minimizing the need for post-production surface treatment. The continuous casting process optimizes raw material usage and reduces scrap compared to traditional methods, where losses are often incurred during the rolling or cutting stages. The Upcast continuous casting and cooling system consumes less energy due to the seamless integration of the process and the absence of intermediate reheating steps. Upcast SG tube is capable of producing copper tubes from 100% clean recycled material, reducing environmental impact and conserving natural resources. The closed and controlled operation limits greenhouse gas emissions compared to traditional methods that require more energy. Upcast SG tube allows the production of copper tubes with different sizes and wall thicknesses, meeting a wide range of market needs from the refrigeration, energy industry to construction. This technology is easily integrated with modern automation and monitoring systems, helping to monitor and optimize production performance. However, this technology also has certain limitations. The Upcast SG tube continuous casting line requires a large investment in equipment, induction furnace systems, and high-precision molds, especially for small production facilities. The upcast process is primarily suitable for small to medium-sized copper tubes with moderate output. For manufacturers requiring very high output or larger sizes, the traditional method may be more efficient. The production speed of the upcast process is typically slightly slower than traditional methods using hot rolling or hot drawing. The Upcast SG tube copper tube product has superior quality, but the higher production cost may not be suitable for low-cost markets, such as standard industrial copper products. The traditional method with hot rolling or cold drawing from ingots can save initial costs and is more suitable for standard products. Rolling and drawing technology is suitable for the production of copper products in very large quantities, often serving large-scale industrial applications. This method can take advantage of copper materials with medium or lower quality, instead of using only pure copper materials like upcast. However, the limitation of the traditional method is that copper tubes from the rolling and drawing method are often prone to defects in welds or uneven surfaces. The hot rolling and drawing process often requires more energy, especially in the repeated heating of the raw material. This method often does not optimize greenhouse gas emissions and scrap disposal. Therefore, it can be concluded that the Upcast SG tube technology is especially suitable for manufacturers focusing on quality, sustainability, and long-term efficiency. Meanwhile, the traditional method still plays an important role in markets that require high output and competitive prices. The choice of technology will depend on the production strategy and specific needs of the business. Horn Smelter, located in Quebec, Canada, is one of the world's leading copper smelters. Operated by Glencore, Horn Smelter is not only known for its ability to recycle precious metals from electronic scrap, but also produces high-purity copper anodes, reaching a standard of 99.1%. The company plays a key role in the global copper supply chain, providing a vital raw material for industries such as electronics, energy, and construction. Copper anodes are an intermediate product in the production of pure copper. From the anode, copper is electrolytically refined to a purity of 99.99%, making it suitable for high-tech applications. There are several key reasons why copper anodes are important to cutting-edge industries. Pure copper from anodes is used in electrical wiring, printed circuit boards, and sensitive electronic components. This is also the main raw material in the production of electric cables for renewable energy projects such as solar and wind power. Copper anodes from Horn Smelter are produced by recycling scrap, helping to reduce dependence on new ore mining and protect natural resources. Recycling from electronic scrap helps to effectively treat waste while recovering rare metals. Horn Smelter uses 3 of the most modern technologies in the metallurgical industry, including 1. Energy recovery system. Heat generated from the smelting process is reused to reduce energy consumption and carbon dioxide emissions. 2. Emission control technology. Advanced filtration systems help minimize sulfur and heavy metal emissions into the environment. 3. Automation system. The production and monitoring process is automated, ensuring high efficiency and stable product quality. Let's learn about this company's 99.1% copper anode production process. Horn Smelter uses a variety of raw materials, including copper ore from copper mines around the world, electronic scrap recycling of printed circuit boards, electronic components and old equipment, copper materials discarded from manufacturing processes. This approach not only increases economic efficiency, but also minimizes environmental impact. The raw materials are melted in a blast furnace at extremely high temperatures, over 1,200 degrees Celsius. This stage removes non-metallic impurities such as sulfur, silicon, and iron. The molten metal is further processed to remove other impurities such as lead and zinc, ensuring the highest possible copper content. After refining, the liquid copper is poured into molds to form anode plates, each weighing around 300 to 400 kilograms, achieving a purity of 99.1%. These anode plates are sized and weighted for use in subsequent electrolytic refining processes. A highlight of Horn Smelter is its ability to recycle electronic scrap. The company uses advanced technologies to recover copper, gold, silver, and other precious metals from scrap, contributing to the reduction of industrial waste and promoting a circular economy. Horn Smelter is a prime example of how technology and manufacturing processes can be combined with recycling to create high-quality products while protecting the environment. The 99.1% purity copper anode is not only an important step in the copper supply chain, but also contributes to the sustainable development of industries around the world. HME Copper Germany GmbH is one of the leading copper tube manufacturers in Europe, known for its advanced production technology and commitment to superior quality. The company supplies high-quality copper tubes used in many fields such as heating, cooling, water supply, electronics, and construction. HME uses modern CNC-controlled machines and sensor systems, which optimize the production process, minimize errors, and ensure consistent quality. Each batch of products is thoroughly tested according to N and ASTM standards to ensure accuracy and reliability. HME Copper uses renewable energy and modern waste treatment systems, minimizing harmful emissions and protecting the environment. Copper tube production process at HME. Modern technologies are applied to produce copper tubes that meet international quality standards. The company uses 99.99% pure cathode copper as input material. These cathode are supplied from reputable manufacturers or recovered through recycling. The copper cathode is melted in an induction furnace at a temperature of approximately 1,100 degrees Celsius to 1,200 degrees Celsius. The molten metal is cast into a billet or long copper bar with a diameter suitable for the next processing steps. The precise temperature control system ensures that the billet has a homogeneous structure, free of air bubbles or impurities. The copper billet is fed into an extruder to produce raw copper tubes with basic dimensions. HME's extrusion technology ensures that the copper tube surface is smooth, free of cracks, and has a uniform grain structure. The raw copper tubes are drawn through multiple dies to reduce the size and achieve the required precision. The tubes are cooled before drawing to ensure precise dimensions and high mechanical strength. The drawing system is capable of producing tubes with very small wall thicknesses while maintaining stability. Copper tubes are annealed at high temperatures to reduce internal stress and improve mechanical properties. All copper tubes undergo rigorous quality testing, including testing for dimensions, tensile strength, elongation, hardness, and surface defects. After testing, the tubes are cut to standard lengths or customized to customer requirements. Some products are coated with anti-oxidation protection or polymer coatings to meet special customer requirements. HME Copper Germany GmbH not only produces high-quality copper tubes, but is also a leader in sustainable technology and smart manufacturing processes. Their products meet strict international standards, contributing to innovative solutions for many industries. Guidetti is a leading company in the design and manufacture of recycling machines and systems, especially for the recycling of electrical cables and metals. With many years of experience, Guidetti has developed efficient and environmentally friendly solutions for recovering valuable materials from scrap. Guidetti's Wire Pro cable recycling system is designed to process a wide range of cables, from thin to thick, single to multi-core, armored and telecommunications cables. The cables are fed into a coarse crusher. This crusher breaks the cables into shorter lengths, allowing for more efficient separation of metals and plastics in the subsequent steps. This is followed by fine crushing. This is the most important step in the Wire Pro process. Guidetti's copper wire crusher is specially designed to efficiently crush the copper or aluminium cores and separate them from the plastic jacket. This crushing technology typically uses a rotor with specially designed hammers or blades to optimize separation performance and minimize metal loss. The key here is the shape, material, and arrangement of the hammers are carefully calculated to create the optimal impact force on the cable, separating the metal without reducing its quality. A vibrating or rotating screen system is used to classify the material after crushing, separating the metal, copper or aluminum, and plastic. After fine grinding, the mixture of metal and plastic is passed through a separation system. Guidetti uses different separation methods, depending on the type of cable and customer requirements, including air separation, to blow plastic particles away from the metal, and magnetic separation to separate magnetic materials from non-ferrous metals and plastics. Guidetti also incorporates a vibrating table into the system, which uses vibration and gravity to separate the material according to its specific gravity, separating metals and plastics. The separated metals are of high purity and can be sold directly to smelters for recycling into new products. Plastics can also be recycled or disposed of according to regulations. The Guidetti Wire Pro Cable Recycling System, with its advanced copper wire crushing technology, is an efficient and sustainable solution for the processing of electrical cable scrap. It not only helps to recover precious metals, but also contributes to environmental protection. Comafer Machine SRL, founded in Italy, is one of the world's leading companies in the production of briquette presses. Comafer's briquetting technology not only optimizes material recovery, but also reduces environmental impact, bringing high economic value and efficiency to the business. Comafer's briquette machine range has been designed to compress metal scrap, such as copper, aluminum, iron, steel into compact briquettes that are easy to transport, store, and recycle. Comafer's presses use a powerful and stable hydraulic system, which helps to achieve high compression force. This system ensures high-density briquettes, minimizes voids, and increases the recycling value of the scrap. PLC Automatic Control System provides precise control of the entire process, from chip feeding to briquette discharging, ensuring stable and efficient operation. When briquetting, copper chips have a higher density, are easier to transport, and are sold at a higher value than loose scrap. Compressed copper briquetting is favored by metallurgical plants because of its efficient melting ability and low loss. Briquetting reduces scrap volume by up to 80 to 90%, saving storage space. The compression process helps remove oil or impurities from the scrap, reducing pollution during the recycling process. Comafer's copper briquetting process is carried out through the following steps. Copper chips are collected from mechanical factories, CNC machining plants, or industries that produce metal chips and scrap. The raw material is pre-cleaned to remove impurities, such as oil, dust, or other metal filings, ensuring the highest quality of the pressed briquette. Copper chips are fed into the press through an automatic or manual feeding system. The machine uses a powerful hydraulic system to compress copper chips into compact, high-density cakes, ensuring that the copper cake has mechanical strength and will not break during transportation or storage. After pressing, the copper cake is pushed out of the mold and transferred to a conveyor system or container. The final product has a uniform shape, making it easy to transport and store. Comafer's copper chip briquetting technology not only helps businesses optimize the processing and recycling of scrap, but also creates high economic value while protecting the environment.